Of all fragrance, like that of sandal, lavender, and jasmine, fragrance of Bharshu is supreme. Dhammapad 55. Sandalwood, lavender, water lily, and the jasmine exude fragrance. Of all these varieties of fragrances, the sweet smell of Bharshu is the most supreme. This is because the fragrance of Bharshu is universally favored. Besides, the fragrance of Bharshu spreads all directions, even against the wind. Sandalwood or lavender, lotus or the jasmine, great of these many fragrances, Bharshu's fragrance is supreme. Dhammapad 55. Chandanang tagarang vapi uppalong atha basiki etesang gandho jatanong shilo gandho anuttaro. Dhammapad 55.